Hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you the greatest and the smallest fraction from a series of proper fraction. How will we calculate, and within a very short period of time, that are very useful when we are approaching the competitive exam. One thing always come in our mind, that what is proper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here we show some example. Please look at this carefully, that here the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 3. The next fraction is also numerator is 5 and numerator is 8, and the next fraction is 7 and 11. In 3 fractions we see that every numerator is smaller than the denominator. So when this fraction arises, then we can say that this fraction is a proper fraction, and the improper fraction is just opposite to proper fractions. That means when the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we understand what is proper fraction. Now we want to calculate the greatest and the smallest fraction from a series of proper fraction. There are 2 types. First type is that when the difference of numerator and the denominator is same. That means here we take 4 fractions, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9 and 17 by 18. We here see that every fraction is a proper fraction, because in each and every case the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So all the 4 fractions in this series are proper fraction. Now we calculate what is the difference value. In the first fraction we see that 5 minus 4, that is 1, 7 minus 6, that is 1, 9 minus 8, that is 1, 18 minus 17, that is 1. In this case all the difference of the 4 fractions are same, that is 1. So in this we simply say that this fraction is greatest. Why? Because when we see that the difference of numerator and denominator is same, then the numerator which is in the highest value, we take that fraction as the greatest fraction. Here we see the value of numerator is 17, 8, 6 and 4. Here is the greatest number is 17. So the greatest fraction will be 17 by 18. This is possible, and this is the mathematical tricks, only when the difference between the numerator and denominator is same. And the lowest but smallest fraction is 4 by 5, because 4 is the smallest number among these 4 numbers. So this is the simplest tricks in mathematics, or you can say that in fraction, how to determine the greatest and the smallest fraction. But there is another type where the difference of numerator and denominator is not same. Okay, first to erase all this, then we go to that part where the numerator and denominator difference is not same. Okay, here we take 4 fractions and minutely look at all fractions, that here the difference is 9, 4 is numerator and 9 is denominator. So difference here is 5. Here the difference is 8 minus 6, that is 2. Here the difference is 18 minus 8, that is 3. Here is 20 minus 17, that is 3. Here the difference is not same. One is 5, another is 2 and 3. So here we cannot apply the first method. That means that we are using first type. Then how will you do this? Simply I write over here the numerator value 4. And for this fraction the numerator value is 6, I write over here. Then 8 and then 17. And by looking these modified fractions, how will we calculate? There are two methods. First method is we simply divide 4 by 5. That means simply division. Here where 5 is the dividend where 5 is the divisor and 4 is a dividend. But the value, the quotient that I get from here is point something. And by dividing 6 by 2 we get 3. And dividing 8 by 3 we get 2 point something. And by dividing 17 by 3 we get 5 point something. So from these 4 number we can easily say that which number is greatest among these 4. It is very easy to say that 5 is the greatest, then the second greatest is 3, then 2 point something and then point something. By reading this or by seeing this, we can easily say that this fraction is the greatest fraction, because these fractions, after manipulating, I get this fraction and from there I get the value 5. So 5 will be the greatest among these 4 fractions. So 17 by 20 is the greatest fraction and point something is the smallest or lowest fraction. So this fraction is the smallest fraction, yes, and this is the greatest fraction or greatest or largest, whatever you say, greatest fraction. And the second method, this is the first method, and second method, by doing LCM of these 4 numbers, then by making the denominator same, we can judge the value of numerator, and by seeing the numerator we can easily say that which fraction is greatest or which is lowest. But I always prefer the first method because this is the simplest way, because in competitive exam when we get such type of fraction there is not so much time for solving all the LCM, then dividing the multiplying the numerator with that LCM and find the value, then from that value we can easily determine. But the division part, the first method, 4 by 5, we simply divide 4 by 5 and get the quotient value as point something. It can be done verbally. So I prefer the first method for determining the greatest and the lowest value. Okay. In the next video, we discuss about the greatest and smallest fraction from a series of improper fraction. And in this video, if you like the video, then please like the video. If you want to know more, then please comment me and always share the video to your friends so everyone can understand short method of finding the greatest and the smallest fraction. Okay, thank you.